We're ready for a walk this morning. Beautiful morning on a Saturday. We're gonna head up to the bluffs, check out if there's available site for tonight. Ideally, site 27, where we're at the moment. There's the lighthouse near the entrance to this campground and a ferry. How about that? Quite a pier here. We're gonna walk up that path to the right side of the road, head up to the main headquarters of the fort, check to see if we can stay another night. I think some bucks have been rubbing their antlers on these trees. Kind of steep, but it's nice and groomed. Up to the headquarters section and quarters. Fort Worden. Sorry, birds. Wow. It takes a lot of resource and money to maintain these old structures. Don't know if that's a house or I guess it's a house. Oh wow, huh. A burl. It's a big one. Park office, camping check-in. Let's go see if we got a site available. So we checked in to a different site because our site's already reserved for tonight. But that's okay. It's nearby, so we know the area. Where'd Diane go? Gotta find the gang. Centrum Acoustic Festival. Great place to go for a walk. What an experience. This is Alexander's Castle. This is an interesting but sad story. Skye is on the hunt, tracking whatever's been in the area. I have to use a wide angle lens to get that entire tree. Huge madrona. Back at the castle. Quite a view from Alexander's Castle. Can you see anything in there?
A very weathered porch.
Want to come up? We're checking out this castle. Yeah, you know, imagine before the fort was built, what was here? It was on 10 acres, but what was the condition? And I can't see inside really, but sort of.
Or maybe a fountain or a cedar.
Okay, very small house.
Yeah. Something under there, basement?
Crawl space.
Cellar?
We're gonna head over to the upper section and check out the path going up to the bluffs. Haldeman Putnam. Really picturesque here. Spring blossoms already. Fruit trees, I imagine. We're gonna go up this way. A jogger said, head up this way, there's a crossroads of trails, and you go to the right, takes you back down to the campground. Yep, this is the way. It's steep. You want me to take Skye? No problem. More steps ahead. On the side of this hill. Well, that was a steep but interesting path. Well groomed steps. We made it up, no problem. Now we're on a paved road. Obviously that leads to the bunkers. What is Memories Vault? You mean like a time capsule? Well, Diane wants to go this way. This is quite a poem. Very touching. Probably can find this online. It's sad too.
There's another one over here. There's a plaque on every single one.
These are like memory
These are poems.
columns, each with a poem. Huh.
Water and the barracks.
Like a pulpit. I don't think I'm deserving to sit in that, but the symbol is powerful. Do you suppose they have prayers here or memorials? A place of worship, a place of memories. A great place for reflection, for prayer. Okay, Skye, let's go find Diane. Amazing views from up here. I wonder if it used to be houses. They're clearing it out. There are some old foundations to something. It must have been part of the fort. Is this an orchard? Well, and there's an old structure. House. Here's the overlook above the fort. The quarters. Wow. Must be a lot of memories of lives spent here. Nice bench. Remnants of a porcelain toilet? Several toilets. Must be remnants of the fort. What was this? Anyone living under there, Skye? I bet. If not living. Wow. Okay. Foundation's pretty sound. Looks like they've been keeping it open and dry. Needs a paint job. So peaceful here and serene, kind of eerie. Let's go around this way, Skye. Come on. Looks like the porch is in need of repair.
And things just could have started.
What an amazing place to go for a walk. Well, this is the intersection I think the jogger was telling us about. And over here are some more bunkers to the left. Maybe we should explore the bunkers while we're up on top of the hill. Come on, Skye, let's go to the bunkers. Main battery. Pretty stark back then. Kind of creepy in there, Skye.